DDL7800B. Now we repair error 924. Now we will repair error 924. Now we open the board, power board. Maybe it will problem power board, power PCB. We're searching which problem.
The location number.
My friends, see, location number R26. Register our problem. We will remove this register. See, location R26. After removing the register, now machine ready. Okay guys, if you have error 924, you can remove register power PCB register, location number R26.